So let's begin how to scan documents using Adobe Scan. So you will need a software called Adobe Scan PDF Scanner. You can search the Play Store and install it if it is not already installed. Then you can click on Open to open it. So this will open this interface where you can directly scan your pages. See to it that there is ample amount of light before you scan. Align your page properly. All the four corners must be visible in the photo, and then click the snap button in the center. So once you click that, it will start taking a photo. So one by one you scan each and every page. So next page. So let's suppose I have scanned all my pages. Now I will click on the bottom where all my pages are visible. So I will click over there and I can see the preview of how all the documents are scanned. So I'm happy with whatever there is. Now I can go and click on this edit title, where as in many cases you will have to change the naming of the file. So you can use the given naming convention. So I will use this one. This is just a dummy naming convention I'm using. So based on your requirement, you can change the name and click on rename. Once that is done, now your file is ready to be saved as a PDF. So just click on the button on top which says save as PDF, and this will save the PDF on the Adobe Scan drive. Okay, now you have two options. You can use it from here if you want. The Adobe Scan will give you a link, but I would like to show you two other options. So the first one is, if you go and click on the more button over here, so you will get two options: copy to device and copy to Google Drive. So if you want to upload it from your device, then you can say copy to device and it will show you the place where you want to save your file. You can select your folder, but I want to save it in Google Drive, so I'm saying copy to Google Drive. Now as soon as that opens, you can see this window opens, which opens the panel where you can upload it. You can select your account where you want to upload, and you can also select which folder you want to upload this file to. Okay, so yeah, you can see I have selected my answers folder. So I will click on that and create a new folder inside my answers folder. Let's call it, let's say, paper 1, and create that and select this folder for uploading. Once that is done, I will click on save to upload this file to my drive, and that's it. So now it will take a few seconds to upload based on your internet, and once it is uploaded, then you can open your Google form and you can actually select your file from the Google Drive directly. So now I will show you where that file is actually getting stored. So I will open my drive and I will quickly refresh by dragging down, so it will refresh the folders list because a new folder is created. And once the refresh is done, I will search my folder, my answers. Yeah, so that is my folder, and inside that you can see I have got a folder called paper 1. So if I go inside that, you can see the new paper that is being uploaded. Okay, so this is how it's easy to scan and upload your file on Google Drive.